Hello friends, Tony here, welcome. In this video we are going to work with Filament. I had a long time to create Filament content. I had a comment on YouTube how to work with the Filament plugin and specifically with the Shield plugin, which is for the role and permissions, and is using the Laravel permissions from Spatie package. For that, I'm going to create a Laravel project from scratch. Let's name it Filament Shield. I'm going to choose Breeze because we're going to work with authentication. So let's have Breeze there to register new users. I'm going to use SQLite here for the database, and then I'm going to install the Filament panel. After that, let's install the Shield plugin. Okay, cd the Filament Shield, and I'm going to open this with VS Code, and then let's install the Filament panel. After Filament, we need to install this plugin, so I'm going to scroll down, and I'm going to copy this one. Then we need to add the as role traits to your user model. And also we need to publish the configuration file. For the ID, I'm going to leave it like this. And let's clean this. And now let's install the plugin. Let's open the user model in here. And right here, we need also to use the as roles from Spatie. Make sure you import that. Okay, what we need other is to publish the config file. Okay, then we need to register this plugin on the panel. So we need to open the admin panel. And at the end, I'm going to say plugins, add an array and paste it the plugins, but for now we have only one, so let's leave it like this. Close this one, and then we need to run the PHP Artisan Shield install. Okay, I'm going to copy this and paste it here. Do you want to continue? Create the admin user, name admin, or I'm going to say test example.com. Add the password. Okay, let's clean and let's open the project. Here, I'm going to log in with the test example. Now, if we navigate to admin, yeah, here we have roles. We have only one role right now. I'm going to open here a new incognito window and open this project, but we need to register first. I'm going to register a new user, and then if we navigate to admin, yeah, as you can see, we can access this, which we don't like that, and we can prevent that if I open the Filament Shield, yeah, config file, and here at the end we have this register role policy, and by default we have enabled the false, but we need to change that to true. If we change that, and now if I come here and refresh, we have forbidden for this user, which is not the super admin, but we can access the admin panel. Just access the admin, we don't have that roles. If I come here and refresh, this one, because has a super admin role, can access this. Okay. If you go here and scroll down, we have here the panel access. And Shield comes with the has panel shield trait, which provides an easy way to integrate Shield's conventions with Filament's panel access system. Okay, so we can say on the user implement filament user and then has panel shield. So let's do that. On the user model, we can say implements filament user, and then here we can use the trait has panel shield, has panel shield like this. And if I save and now come here, refresh, we have two roles. As you can see, we have a new role, which is panel user. This role is going to assign to every new user. But if I come here to this one and refresh, right now we have 403 forbidden. So I'm going to go to dashboard and sign out, and I'm going to register a new user. When we register a new user, the panel user role is going to be assigned, and we have access to the admin panel. So if I go to admin, yeah, we can access this, but we don't have any other resource. We can change that. First, let's go and create a new resource for the user. So I'm going to copy this and paste it here and change the name to user. And I'm going to open the user resource and make some changes here. So I'm going to add the text input for name and email. And on the table columns, I'm going to add the name, email, created at, and updated at. Okay, next I wanted to, here we go here, to assign and remove roles from the user. So for that, if you go here and scroll down, we have somewhere, yeah, here we have using a select component. Let's copy that and let's add on the, not on the table, but on the form of the user's resource, user resource. Let's come and refresh now. And yeah, why we have that? Because we need to put it right here. Now we have the roles. So, for example, I'm going to, yeah, let's save changes. Let's go back to users and let's register. So right now we have this user, which is the last one. I'm going to open a new incognito and register a new user. Using the fake filler, go to admin. Okay, but if I refresh, come here and remove the role from that one, and now if I refresh, we have 403. So let's assign again the panel user to this one. And now if I come here and refresh, yeah, we can access more. You can read here for the translation, generate. So it's going to generate permissions and our policies for filament entities. So let's say, let's come here, and if we see we have policies, so we have this role policy, but we don't have a user policy. Okay, for that, if you can see, we can create, edit, and delete users, and this panel user role has no permissions for the user. So for that, let's go and create a generate policy. So I'm going to use this shield generate, and I'm going to use --all. Okay, so artisan all, hit enter. Now we are okay. If I come here and see, we have also the user policy, which means right now, if I refresh, we don't see the user here. Very good. We can go back and refresh here because we have the role admin. Let's say I want this panel user role have permissions to view any, and also create user. Save this, open this one, go to just refresh because we don't see the user, but if I refresh now, we have the users. We can create new user and we can see all the users. Okay friends, that's it all about this video, what I wanted to show you. Now if you like such a videos, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like the video, share with your friends, and see you in the next one. All the best. Thank you very much.